In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Edge better, whether you're looking to boost its speed, improve performance, or manage your privacy settings more effectively. These tips will help you revamp your browser experience and make your time on the web as efficient as possible. Let's dive right in. First, we'll work on speeding up Microsoft Edge, which is essential for a smooth browsing experience. Begin by clicking the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser window. This menu is your gateway to all the customization options Edge offers. Once you've clicked it, select Settings. Here you'll find a sidebar on the left with various categories. Look for System and Performance and click on it to reveal a set of options that impact how Edge functions. Within the System and Performance section, your next step is to click on System. You'll find several toggles that you can adjust to improve your browser's speed. First, turn on Startup Boost. This feature helps Microsoft Edge start more quickly, so you can get straight to browsing without any delays. It's particularly useful if your computer is burdened with numerous startup applications. Next, you'll want to ensure that Edge isn't using resources when it's not needed. Do this by toggling off the option labeled Continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. By doing so, you're ensuring that as soon as you close Edge, it no longer drains your system's resources. Now, we want to maximize your browser's efficiency. Go back to the System and Performance menu and click on Performance. Here, enable Efficiency Mode. This can help save memory and boost overall performance, ensuring that your browsing stays fast and fluid. Let's move on to enhancing your privacy while potentially speeding up your browser further. In Settings, navigate to Privacy, Search and Services. From here, you'll find an option called Clear Browsing Data. Click on Choose what to clear and tick the box next to Cached Images and Files. This action removes temporary files that can slow down Edge over time. Set the time range to all time to perform a comprehensive cleanup, ensuring that no outdated or unnecessary data is left lingering in your browser. Finally, click Clear Now to execute the process. This not only optimizes your browser's performance, but also protects your privacy by removing old data that could potentially track your web activity. And there you have it. With just a few adjustments, your Microsoft Edge should now be running more efficiently, giving you a faster and more privacy-conscious browsing experience. Remember, periodic maintenance like this can help keep your browser in top condition. Thank you for watching, and I'm confident that these steps will enhance your experience with Microsoft Edge.